So now what I wanted to do is to have a brief but more extensive introduction to the Kemet University Egyptian Mysteries School course program that we have instituted. And I would direct everyone to go to I'm going to go briefly through the website that has been set up. And essentially, what we're going to do tonight, I wanted to give a general introduction. And for those who are interested, please send an email, and you will be getting information for our next meeting, which will be on Monday evening, and we will go into more details then. So tonight, I want to do a general introduction, and Monday night we'll do a more specific introduction. There'll be and you'll be getting the link to join that discussion as to the components of the program. And so you can go to www.egyptianmysteries.org or www.egyptianyoga.com/Egyptian Mysteries, and that will take you to the website that we are discussing now. So the links may be getting updated, but one of those two addresses should take you to the new website. But last week we put out a website that was an advance notice, and now this week we have the first main page of the information website for the program. This is not going to be the final website. There's another one coming for the actual program itself. So this is for introduction purposes. So essentially on the main page, we have two pages, the main page and plus two other pages. One that says who we are, and the other one has information about the virtual classroom and how that's going to work. So on the main page, very quickly, we have the Kemet University, and the Kemetic name is Sebahet Netter. And so I'm describing the website as I'm going through it, so if you can look at it later or if you can see it now. There's a welcome section to the orientation website for the Egyptian Mysteries School Initiation Training Program. This is an information site for those aspirants seeking spiritual training in the teaching of Shadat Netter. Essentially, this program has currently, as it's configured, and it may be expanded beyond this if it's successful. As it's configured currently, there are three classrooms or courses, and they are the Egyptian Mysteries Level 1, Kemau, or the Mysteries of Matter, is Egyptian Mysteries Level 2, or Shatat Matanu, or Mysteries of Myth, Egyptian Mysteries Level 3, or Shatat Sekhet, meaning the Mysteries of Mind. So these are three levels of study following the concept of the ancient Egyptian three sections of the temple, three levels of study. And so level 1 is a kind of introductory level for everyone to start, to find out what the teaching is all about. And this is these are set up with lessons. Each course program is set up with lessons, and the lessons may contain audio for you to listen to, and they'll have questions for you to relate to. They maybe have video, and they may have book reading. And one of the things that's going to make this program unique is that you're going to be able to have a text discussion. This is not email. There's going to be a text discussion through the website with other students, and also with your teacher, which most likely will be myself and or Sabaja. progress, you will get feedback as to if you're understanding correctly or how to understand the teaching. That's level 1, your introduction to the teaching. Level 2 is going to be a more in-depth study of the mythic teaching, the mythic wisdom of Kemetic philosophy, and we're going to discuss more in detail about the myths that will be discussed in this section. So now I'm just giving general introduction. And level 2, or level 3 rather, those who graduate from there will be, and the graduation from level 2 to level 3 is not automatic. It is something that you have to qualify for, and there'll be details about that later on. This will be dealing with a specific Kemetic scripture and very highly philosophical mysteries teaching. All the levels are leading you to be able to understand the philosophy correctly and also practice Shedi in an effective manner. And so the further down, after the brief introduction to the classes, and there's going to be a more extensive introduction in a few days. The further down, it explains the concept of the virtual temple. So this is a kind of virtual temple that we're doing, where we're using the internet, we're using the telephone, we're using a webinar system that in the level 2, you're going to have monthly webinars. We're going to meet as a group once a month. In level 3, it's a more in-depth and more advanced practice, and so that it's much more demanding, and so that is going to be there's going to be more one-on-one opportunities in that level of study. But like I say, all these details will be given in the next few days. So in this virtual temple concept, there will be one of the unique things is that there will be communication and feedback, as well as you're going to actually be in a community. You're also going to, all the students in the program will get, in addition to what is here, you're going to get special email messages and things related to the course program, or if I think generally that a question was asked that everyone can benefit from in a different context, it may be given. So along with everything else, and that this is not going to be something that is part of the general public. This is going to be something separate just for the course program. So, and finally, the summary section gives you an idea of what the classes have. All the classes have audio, they have reading assignments, they have, and not every single lesson, but the program has these things. And when you see the next page that will be added to the website will be a syllabus for the level 1, and then we will go over that so that everyone can have an understanding. But as we're running out of time, let me go to the virtual study page, the virtual classroom page. And that gives you a kind of idea of how the class will be structured, how the e-learning process will be given. We're going to have online discussion amongst ourselves, among yourselves and between us. And you'll be able to communicate privately also, as well as, as a group, to be able to have certain insights, or if you need to speak something privately and that kind of thing. There are going to be, like I said, webinars that we'll be able to meet as a group, so you can see other people who are in the program, and also communicate with myself. There are going to be videos, and there's some video samples of the videos that will be used in the program that you can play right on the page there. And so I'm asking for those who want to participate to send questions in, or go to the website, add your comments and questions, And there will be free gifts given at the end of the week. You'll get a ebook and a MP3 recording. So I want you to do that so that you can assist the process of, and we can answer all the questions that everyone has, and so that everyone will be very well informed. And at the end of the week, we will open up the program for actual registration.
On behalf of the Temple of Aset, the teachings of Chital Netter, the Baima, Dr. Muata Ashby, Dr. Karen Clark Ashby, Sebaja, this is Unudam Puwaset saying do to all of you for joining us this evening. That our time is up now. Baima, Sebaja, I want to say do it to the both of you for another enlightening Kemetic life skills show this evening. Do it to the both of you.